Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to your laptop. So to send files from our phone to the laptop, the easiest way would be to use a website called PairDrop.net. So look it up, press enter to open the website, and right here you'll get a random name for your device, which you can change to find it more easily, but in our case I don't think this would be a problem. So just remember that you remember your device's name over here, and to connect our phone to our laptop, just click on this link icon. And right now you'll either have to open the same page on your phone too and input this code that you can see right here on your phone in this field down below, or you can simply scan the QR code using your phone's camera, which I will do right now. So just scan it, press to connect, and right now on your phone you'll be able to see this application, see the name of your laptop. From each blush sparrow. Just click on the device that has this name, the name of your laptop, and select the file that you want to send from your phone. I'll pick this one. Now once you selected the file, it will appear on your laptop screen. Just click accept and wait for the image or any file to be downloaded. And as you can see, I have successfully transferred the file from my phone to my laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.